So, just to recap the journey, come in, you take a left right here, and an immediate right, and we are straight down the hall. Here's our sign.
That's 18. That's 20. That's nothing. And that's 20. So I would have gotten 58. I would have rounded up. So that would have gained you an additional 6 tickets just for playing darts.
Previously on Buried Treasures.
We had gone to the same flea market and we just happened to walk into that same spot.
Right.
And now we get that space. So now you can kind of take your own destiny into your hands.
If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for?
There, and then these 4 tables will have different departments and stuff like that.
Buddy, hey, the treasures are buried here, so come on by and find your own.
So we are getting ready to start setting up today. This is Wednesday. We're bringing new stuff into the store. There is Monkey Man Mitch, Mixmaster Mitch, Mitch the Marvelous Monkey Man. Alright, so we're going to flow through here. Don't forget our sign is right there, right next to the ATM. And right down there is us. This is the raw version of our setup. This is something that very few people see. Repairs need to be done. Need a new banner. Now, remember how I keep saying that this place is incredibly safe? This is a mirror I have for sale. I forgot and left it out for like 2 whole days. It's still here. I love that. Anyway, so I've got things dangling all over the place. So this is what it looks like before we actually set up in the morning or afternoon. Anyway, let's go take a tour around our area. And I will show you empirically why it's important to support small businesses. All these shops here are small businesses. There are no corporations in here. This is a micro community of business owners. And in all honesty, and in this economic environment, this place should be packed. Every day that it's open, it should be packed. Because these are helping, this microculture here, this micro environment helps people live, helps them pay their bills. You know, for us, we wouldn't be able to make it without, you know, online and on ground sales both. Hola! Halls are empty right now. This is why you all need to come and visit us down here. We're trying to make it easier for you by giving away a bunch of cool stuff. So, come on down, participate in your community, and win some cool stuff. Oh my god, there's a monkey man. Let's follow him. Day in the life of Mitch. Hey, are you gonna go to work for the chair for us? Alright, let's follow the back of Mitch's head. So you can look how easily this young man is fluidly making his way to our shop. Folks, it's really just that easy. And he's even carrying stuff. You'd be doing the same thing, but in reverse, you'd be carrying stuff out. That's exciting. Okay, so Mitch is bringing in stuff. Actually brought in stuff. I think he's done now.
Well, I still need to grab a few more things.
Okay, well, we're gonna follow you again.
Okay.
What are you doing now, Mitchelton?
It's a new one.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just grabbing a few more things for shipping.
So, are you trying to tell me, Mitch, that people can buy our stuff and we can ship it to them?
Yes.
Whoa.
That is in fact what I'm saying.
You know what? You can also do this thing called buy online, pick up in store. So if you've got some stuff that you want to get from us, you can definitely buy it online and we can either A, ship it to you or hold it here for you at the store.
Right now the shop's in some mild disarray, but that is okay given the fact it is a Wednesday.
This is how we get ready for our day. So, just so there's a little bit less dead air in here, I'm planning on putting this thing, that's currently wobbling, no that's not in effect, right here in the window. That way I can put a bunch of really cool stuff in that window and people can see it as they walk by and be like, oh my god, I gotta have that. So, let's see how that works. Right now I'm removing a bunch of gunk off the window that was left there by the previous occupants. I know there's a ton of easier ways to do this, but I have none of those easier ways here with me today. So I'm doing my best. Here, I'll change mine. So I've either come up with a great idea or a horrible idea. I don't know if I explained it to you already. So I'm thinking about mounting that big wood piece of thing right here. So that way we can put cars, anything else that we're trying to showcase.
Oh, okay.
So if we have it like this, people are going to find it hard to grab. Hold this right here, please. I want to go around and look at it. I haven't had it in that position to look at it. There we go. It's not moving. Oh, I felt my bones move. Oh. Don't ever break your hand. Not worth it. So I think this is kind of dope because you can see this from both angles, but this keeps the kids' hands off of it.
Yeah.
So as we're coming up here, yeah, I can totally, like, if I'm all the way over here, walking up, I can start to see something right there in the window, and as I'm walking up even closer, oh wow, look at that. There's stuff in the window. Stuff being advertised. We got some weird shine off the window there.
Some weird what?
Shine off the window.
Oh.
Alright, so I'm gonna hang this guy back on this one. Jen said she wanted footage. I don't know if she expected to get footage of us like rebuilding the store, but you know, that's kind of what we do every week. Seems like every week we're completely doing something different with the store.
I was thinking about that.
Alright, we're done with that part. We're gonna take a break and then we'll be back after these messages from somebody. Here's something else that's little known to those who are trying to get into this gig, is that when you do have a shop, you're pretty much responsible for everything, including maintenance and fixing stuff and stuff that broke over the weekend. Or there's a lot to running a shop. There's a lot to running a business, and hopefully through our adventures you'll learn a little something, and you might just pop up on the other side of this better than we did. Learn from our mistakes, because you, as the aspiring pirate, have a lot of learning to do, and hopefully we can help with that. What Mitchell and I are doing right now is a quick clean down and what we call a soft close, where we take little bits of the hallway stuff in, but not enough to prohibit customer movement, and that way we can still clean down, still do business, but be in a better situation when we're actually ready to close, because then we've got a full account of everything and where everything's supposed to go. So right now we're doing the clean down part. Mitch is taking care of the hallway and surrounding the store sections, and I'm taking care of the inside. And this is our dartboard. This is where we're going to do our entire little competition for our DOONEY and BOURKE's purse, and it's gonna be awesome. Somebody's gonna be very, very happy. Alright guys, so here's the explanation of our game. Each person gets 5 darts, and we've got a wide array to choose from, so we're trying to make it easy, not give you like loaded or weird darts. These are actually ones that you buy at a store. So anyway, you've got your 5 darts. Now I'm not a master at this, so please laugh if I mess up. So each person gets 5 darts. You start right here at the edge of the couch, and you're going to be aiming for that dartboard right there. Let's see if I hit anything. We'll do a power zoom. Alright, so each 10 points you get equals 1 ticket. Also, if you come in the store and you make purchases, each dollar you spend is worth a ticket. So there's multiple ways to win here, but no purchase is necessary. All you have to do is come in there, 1 person per day per play comes down and shoots 5 of these guys. Wherever it went. Okay, yeah. Anyway, 5 darts. Here we go. See? Told you. That's 18. That's 20. That's nothing. That's 20. So I would have gotten 58. I would have rounded up. So that would have gained you an additional 6 tickets just for playing darts. You had 5 darts and you still got 6 tickets. Look at that. How easy is that? It's ridiculous. You want to see that again? We'll do it from a little bit further away and maybe capture me. Yeah. Okay, so I'm grabbing another 5. Here are my 5. And we're going to shoot at that dartboard over there. Okay, so here we go. 5 darts. That's 16. That's stupid. That's 10. That's 20. That's nothing. Mixmaster Mitch, what's the score? 46, so I would have rounded that up to 50, just to be nice. And that would have been 5 tickets just off 3 darts. And we're always going to err on the side of the customer on this. We want you guys to get as many tickets as possible, so that way you have as many chances to win as possible. Down, throw some darts, win a purse or some gift certificates. You can't get any easier than this. Seriously, it's fun too. So come back every day, play your 5 darts and get some tickets. Win a really expensive purse. And if you're a dude, definitely get in here. Christmas is coming up. Are you kidding me? Dude, you're gonna make out awesome if you win that purse. Anyway, thanks for joining us. Come in and play our game.